Hello, ma'am. I'm Gopinath. You are 15 CS 354. This is the Java Lab third program, and the question given for me is a bank has invited customers to create a different types of savings like recurring deposit and fixed deposit. So customers should have the maintain a saving bank account to create a RD and FD. And for RD, the minimum monthly deposit should be 1,000 rupees, and further it can be multiplied into 100. The minimum duration can be and 3 months to a maximum of 15 years. If a duration is 1 year means then the amount of interest is 7%. If a duration is opted by a customer, then the interest is 6.5, and it calculates the maturity amount and the maturity date of this. So I'm going to have the identify the class and implementation of the sum. So I'm going to calculate the maturity amount if an interest rate of 5% is applicable. So I'm going to show you the program which I did. This is the program which I did, and this is the two packages which I have imported in this Java as util.scanner for getting the input from the users, and also the lang.mat for having some mathematical calculations. And here is a class called bank, and also in that I created a double data type as time and money. So time and money will have a double datas, and I created an and also I created and and also I created a constructor of bank, and having initializing the time and money as 0, and also another this is then another main class which has a name as banky, and the main function as public start void main. This is the entry of this program, and that I initialize the double of m first value and second value, and also integer n. So I created a two object for the bank for B and C, and also scanner object for getting the values of the from the users. So enter the value of 1 for RD or 2. So this is asking that whether you're going for a fixed deposit or for this RD. RD is stands for RD stands for recurring deposit, and FD stands for fixed deposit, as you can able to see over here. And so this is going for recurring deposit or fixed deposit. So this holds the value of n s dot next line. So it will take the values of integer, and I having a switch statement easy for us to enter the amount of and the amount for deposit. So in the case 1, enter the amount for deposit. So it will entering the amount will be going to this this object of c dot money is equal to s dot next, and also the time years will be going to this c dot time. So this object will link to that integer data types, double data type which are already declared over there. So it will convert that into an integer or in a double. So if c dot time is less than 1 means we have to have a power, the math power as c dot money into math power of 1 plus 0. This is the PNR formula for that, both value 1 and 2 for money and time. For both values. And after this we will show the value of m value 1, and it will break. And the case 2 is if it is enter the amount of the deposit. So this is for the another one for fixed deposit. So in that is same function not for a fixed deposit. Fixed deposit we did for this is for recurring deposit, and for this is for fixed deposit formula. And this is for the this case 2, it is for the amount of deposit in time. We are going to calculate the time period of interest in this case 2. So it is depositing money will be changed into an integer, and the time of the duration will be changed into a double. So for having the values showing that time interest of that, we having this m value 2, where you can see able to see this is the calculation for showing the time. We'll show the value of 2. So now I'm going to run the program, and I'll show you the output. So I'm going to choose the fixed deposit of 2, and I'm going to enter value of 10,000, and years in time in the year is I'm going to give it 2 years. So you can able to see this is the maturity amount of that. And now I'm going to again I'm going to run and show you the next one. So for the recurring deposit, so the recurring deposit, I'm going to deposit choosing RD1, and the amount should be deposited. I'm going to deposit 56,000. So from there, in the time years, it's again 2 years only, so we can able to see the maturity time of the this for FD. So this is the program.